Hi there from Human Education or education that wants to understand how human beings learn rather than only focused on finishing the syllabus and have a standardized test and that's the end of it. So, what is it that strengthens the neurons in the brain? One of a very simple ways is to engage the children physically with the content. Get them to move in the classroom or even if you have an online environment. I think the reason, as per the brain scientists, is it activates far more neurons in the brain than just sitting. It motivates the kid, and there is a certain reward in it because it engages you emotionally. This is very experiential for me. I will not go into the research behind it. One of the ways that is very simple and that generally works is to go easy on this sitting syndrome in the class. Is it necessary that kids always have to be sitting on a chair in order to work? You know, chill a bit. If a child is standing, stretching, yawning, or if a child is moving around in the class, or even if a child says, give me a 2-minute break, let me just go and have a sip of water and come back, it's try and chill. In fact, bring movement consciously in your lesson. Get them to walk around a little bit. Get them to change their seats. Get them to stand or sit, or have something in your lesson which insists on them moving around in the room. If this is an online environment, I'm just trying to balance both online as well as offline. Basically, just bring some movement in the class, and one of the finest ways would be to change your own attitude on this sitting syndrome, that a class happens only when everybody is sitting and everybody is sitting well disciplined on their seat. It's not necessary. Thank you so much from Humane Education.